Is it obvious that today's my filming day? I have to film 7 videos and this is video number 3. Hopefully I can film 4 more for today. So this video is going to be me reading mean comments on videos I've done on my friends. Alright, so this very first one is on the video called Letitia Scotland Friends of Lyric Special. I had my Friends of Lyric Special. So the first comment is Dolly Gal and she said, nah, sigh. Lorraine Carby says, I like the look except for her face. It's a complete different shade from the rest of her body. No, this is it. I completely get it. And I can now read this. I'm like, okay, I'm calm. I can do this. Now, let me tell you what happened in this video on this day. This puff is big. Let me tell you what happened on this video on this day. On this video on this day, I had nothing to do her makeup. I had to use my makeup on Letitia. My makeup, because I had to, this was Mother's Day and I had to start on this. Oh my gosh, I need to read Dinette Alexander. So I had to start on this day because I had to start on this day because it was Mother's Day, and I didn't for the rest of the week I was already booked up with my friends coming back to do their makeup, right? And even I didn't get to do Shavon's makeup and I was supposed to do her makeup as well. So I had to start today. So I had to make it do what it do and use I had for today. So that's why her makeup did not match. Now Alexander has 5 points. Alright, when doing a client, you need to use either the back of your hand to place the product on or buy something to put it on. You keep dipping the same brush on the product you use on other people's face. First thing, Dinette Alexander, I mean them clean kit. That one making what? I mean them clean it and it's fresh. I don't know if you saw my other video, Dinette Alexander, but I sanitize everything. So when I take the brush and go back, I go back. Before that foundation goes on another face, I sanitize, wipe off, sanitize. I sanitize the outside of my packaging and the inside, the cover and the outside and the buckle weight inner plus the product itself. I'm speaking specifically to the Black Opal foundation. So don't get it twisted, Dinette. Number 2, you need to blend out the brows. I know. 3, you need to go back to the drawing board with the matching foundation. You know what, Dinette? I already explained what happened that day and I don't owe you no explanations. 4, a real makeup artist would know that you should ensure the face matches the neck. You already said that by saying matching foundation, so technically you're still on 3. Number 5, I think you have gotten too comfortable and think you're the shit now, and you're wrong. This is why your views are dropping. You used to be good, now you're actually one of the worst. And She's Too Cute says 100%. I agree. I do not like that she doesn't comment though. Oh my god, these girls are going in, which I know don't get the same views that I used to get. And to be honest, yes, it does affect me, but it really doesn't, because I really love doing YouTube. I've been doing YouTube for years. I know what's gonna be the kicker. Dinette Alexander and She's Too Cute. She's Too Cute's avatar is like 3 penguins. I'm assuming it's from that penguin movie. What's that penguin movie called? Where they're singing? I assume. And then Dinette Alexander is a faceless person that's talking to me. So I can only assume you're real. So whatever. If I should stop doing YouTube, Dinette, we're gonna let all this anger out. Dinette, who are you gonna tell this to? Like your friends? Your friends whose makeup don't look nowhere near as good as my shitty makeup? What you saying? What you saying? Dinette. Nevermind says, "Wanna for tell on a friend for clean out the booger them from my nose before I film her next time." There's booger in her nose. I didn't see that. She could have told her to clean the boogers in her nose, but I love the overall look. There's booger. I didn't even know that there's booger in her nose, and I am on her face working. I didn't even say that there was booger in her nose. Foundation is too gray. Foundation. Oh my god, everything is foundation. Oh lord, everything is foundation. Like they go on and on and on, and I get it. Like that day when I was done, I was like, they are going to read me for filth on YouTube. But I put it up. It's there now. Alright, so let's go to the video that says Theo Nail Technician, friends of Lyric Special. First comment, well, Auntie Theo for one, so she never. Look, I get it. Okay, so my battery, my card got full, so I had to take it out, put on the laptop. My bun is becoming undone. My phone began to die. It's on charge somewhere over here. So I get it. You know, like, I make mistakes on YouTube, and one would wonder why I would film something and upload it. Is it just because of the sake of the video? Do I want the views? Nigga, I'm hardly getting the views, so it can't be the mentee that keeps it going. It's just honestly to show my vulnerability. The look I did with Auntie Hyacinth, I did not like how that came out at all. I hated it, and I was never going to put that up, but I did, and a lot of you loved it. You never know on YouTube, you never know on social media. It is so flimsy and so biased and so one-sided. You just never know. So I can't just put something out there that I love. I'll just put something out there with the knowing that I'm going to be criticized whether or not I love it. Did Letitia's makeup match? No. But she never wore makeup in her life. And for the entire day that she was there, she kept on taking pictures and pictures. She kept on telling me, Simone, thank you so much, thank you so much. She loved it. My client loved it. She did not see the imperfections that you're seeing. She did not see the imperfections I saw. She didn't see it. She just knew that she has never looked like that before in her life, in a good way. And she has never worn makeup before, and she loved it. And as much as I wasn't really comfortable with it, knowing that I had to just work with what I had, what didn't match her completely, my client was happy. I've done work a lot of times on clients and I hate it, but they are in love with it. And as a makeup artist and just for life, you just have to love it, you know? I didn't love it, but my client did. And she loved it. And me can't take that from her. And when she got home, she said when she got home, her daughter said, Mommy, you look like Auntie Simone, which is me because I'm always wearing makeup. So when she said that, she means I call you in a makeup whole heap, you know. And I'm like, yeah, I figured. That was a compliment from her daughter, and children are always honest. So that was me reading mean comments, and well, from my friends, and kind of spinning it around at the last minute, you know, because that's how I work. My phone is charging and I had to end the video. I was like, alright then, how can I end this video? Let's turn this into a positive. I've made a lot of mistakes here on YouTube, and I've done a lot of apology videos here on YouTube, but that goes with the life. I'm human. I'm going to make mistakes, and because of my status, me being an influencer, it's going to be recorded half the time. It's going to be put on display all the time. Even when I don't want it to be displayed, it's going to be put on display. And that's not what I'm solidifying that in my head, that dog, people go and judge you whether you like it or not. So make the most of it. And that's just with life. Make the most of life. Because it's people who are talking shit, they don't even have a picture for their YouTube channel. It's like, do you know what I say to you? It is just like, do you know what I say to you? So make the most of it. Make the most of life, because life is very short and very fragile. So make the most of it. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys.